The book is weird but true. Some honeybees, some honeybee queens quack. What? In Japan, it's possible to buy watermelons in shape like pyramids. Peanut butter can convert into a diamond. Octopus have 3 hearts. The earth spins so fast that someone standing at the equator is traveling at about 1,000 miles an hour. Elephant can run faster than human. A lizard sticks its tongue out to smell. Chromophobia is the extreme fear of colors. A newborn puppy can take up to 2 months to start wagging its tail. Nothing can escape from a black hole. Some butterflies' ears are on their wings. A bat can eat 3,000 insects in one night. And the storyteller. Y que le agarre y que le cuento everybody every Thursday 6 p.m. Zoom. It's free. Thank you.